Top 5 Most Powerful Women in Banking 2024. 1. Jane Thompson. Thompson, the formidable CEO of Global Financial Solutions, has redefined the landscape of international banking. Innovative approach to fintech integration and sustainable finance. Born in 1975 in Chicago, Thompson's journey to the pinnacle of the banking world is a testament to her relentless drive and visionary leadership. After graduating summa cum laude from Harvard Business School in 1999, Thompson cut her teeth at several Wall Street firms before joining Global Financial Solutions in 2010 as head of their burgeoning digital division. Transformative work in this role, which saw the bank's mobile banking user base grow by 500% in just 3 years, got the attention of the board, leading to her appointment as CEO in 2018. Thompson's stewardship, Global Financial Solutions has become a trailblazer in sustainable banking practices. Spearheaded the Green Banking Initiative, committing the bank to achieve carbon neutrality by 2030 and allocating $50 billion for clean energy investments. This bold move not only positioned the bank as a leader in environmental responsibility but also opened up new markets and revenue streams. Thompson's leadership during the global economic turbulence of 2020 to 2023 further cemented her reputation as a banking powerhouse. Swift implementation of AI-driven risk assessment models and her advocacy for regulatory reforms to protect consumers during economic downturns earned widespread acclaim and the moniker, the crisis whisperer, in financial circles. On her professional achievements, Thompson is a passionate advocate for women in finance. Established the Women in Banking Mentorship Program, which has supported over 5,000 young women in launching their careers in the financial sector. Commitment to diversity and inclusion has transformed the culture at Global Financial Solutions, with women now occupying 45% of senior leadership positions. As we move into 2024, Jane Thompson's influence in the banking world continues to grow. Recent appointment to the World Economic Forum's Finance Committee and her forthcoming book, Working on the Future, Resilience in a Digital Age, are set to shape global financial policy and industry trends for years to come. Her unique blend of technological savvy, environmental consciousness, inclusive leadership, Jane Thompson stands at the forefront of a new era in banking. Like and subscribe.